पेट्रोलिंग पे थी. All the police stations we have formed special teams. All the police stations we have made sure that there are patrolling schemes and there is a picket scheme in place. So kal raat में भी as usual there was picketing, there was patrolling by the police staff. At around 4:30 in the morning, both these crosses were all right. They were in perfect state. It was checked by the police staff of the police station Kurchorem. At 5 o'clock, 5:15, when it was checked by the police staff, then it was noticed that it has been desecrated. So this is really unfortunate, and I would like the people of Salsette and people of South Goa to cooperate with the police.
पुलिशेक खंय लीड मेळ्ळ्या आणि ताचेर ATS आणि सायबर सेलाचे टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टांची मदत घेवन सोद चल्ला.
See, we have got some leads. Now we have got some leads, we are working upon it. We have also taken the help of, we are taking the help of cyber cell as well as the people who are expert in cyber analysis in the ATS in order to analyze the dump data, etc. And technical surveillance also we are in the process of mounting, and we are also in the process of analyzing any technical data that we are able to get. So the process has already started. Yesterday a team from ATS was already here. They were collecting the dump data. Now we are in the process of doing the analysis.
पुलिस या प्रकरणात गंभीर आसा. लोकांनी पॅनिक जावचे न्ही म्हूण एसपीन उलो मारला.
People should not panic. They should not go into a panic mode, and police is putting its best foot forward. Their area is being secured. Pickets are in place. Patrolling is being done. In fact, all the PCR vehicles, they have been given strict directions that they should patrol even with sirens on.
पुलीस पेट्रोलिंग आणि चौकशी चल्ल्या, मात समाजात फूट घालपाच्यो असल्यो घडणुको थांबयतलो जाल्यार लोकांनी पुलिशेक मदत करची. मदत करतल्याची नांवां सिक्रेट दवरपाचें उतर दक्षिण गोंयच्या एसपीन दिलां. ह्यो घडणुको घडटनाच ब्रेस्तारा सांजे पुलीस खात्यान कांय म्हत्वाच्यो बदल्यो केल्यात. दक्षिण गोंयची एसपी चंदन चौधरी उत्तर गोंयची एसपी केल्या. अरविंद गावसाक दक्षिण गोंयचो एसपी केला. कार्तिक कश्यपाक एसपी एसबी, क्रायम EOC आनी SITचो अतिरिक्त चार्ज. शेखर प्रभुदेसायाक एसपी हेडक्वार्टर्स केला. धर्मीक चिन्हांच्या तोडफोड प्रकरणांचो सरकारान बेगीन सोक्षमोक्ष लावचो म्हूण काँग्रेस म्हणटा.
ह्या सरकारान पुरे आपले कॉन्शियस सांबाळून जी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर आसा तो लॉ अँड ऑर्डर असले लोकांक असले सवंगांक हातीन दिवपाक जायना. काँग्रेस पक्ष सरकाराक सगळे तरेचे सहकार्य करपाक तयार आसा.
गोंयच्या मंदिर महासंघानय हे विशीं हुस्को उक्तायलो.
हे निंदनीय प्रकार आसा आनी अशा प्रकारांक सरकारान संवेदनशील जावन वेळीच आळो घालचो अशे दृश्टीन मागणी करपा खातीर आमचो जो गोंयचो धार्मीक सलोखो आनी शांतता जी आसा ती बिगडोवपाचो जो प्रयत्न ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान चल्ला, त्या संदर्भात जागृती जावची ह्या दृश्टीन आनी सगळ्यां भितर एक समन्वय रावचो, शांती रावची, सलोखो रावचो, ह्या सगळ्या दृश्टीन आमी ह्या शांततेच्या ह्या परिशदेच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी मागणी करपा खातीर हांगा जमल्या.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.